Hello and welcome back to another weekly devlog for my base building planet adventure and stuff collection indie game. But what happened last week? I fixed the display bug on the planet. This issue came up in the first place because I'm procedurally generating the world, but I fixed it simply by adjusting the precision of each world side by 0.5 on the x-axis. I can't believe it. Then a viewer left a really great tip under my last video. Just change the perspective. And seriously, switching the camera to orthographic completely unified the art style. No more weird visual inconsistencies like before. Honestly, I have no idea why I didn't do this sooner, but now that I have, I love it. I also added the foundation for biomes. That means I picked and adjusted colors for both the land and the liquids on each world side. I think it's looking really cool so far. But do you have any biome ideas? Drop them in the comments. I might replace some that I don't like with your suggestions. On top of that, I implemented an inventory system, but it's limited to just one single slot. The game's concept involves creating things like bells or robots or something like that to transport resources from A to B. And the cool thing is that you can drop resources back onto any tile. Right now it's a feature, but I'm wondering if it takes away from the challenge. Maybe I'll limit placement to 1 to 2 tiles away from the player. We'll see how it feels. I also worked on a single biome, the ice biome. Like the grassland biome, it has trees and rocks, but they're covered in snow. I also added small ice crystals and snowmen, though for some reason they kinda look like they have duck beaks. And yeah, that's pretty much everything that happened last week. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will see us in the next video. Bye!